What's up, guys? It's your Soul Candy coming back at you with another video, and today is a super exciting video because we got not one but two Jeffree Star palettes. We got Blood Sugar, we got Blue Blood. Let's f our faces up with some color. I was so excited to finally be able to order some of these, or order anything Jeffree Star in general. I've only ever had technically just a couple lipsticks. I have the brushes, but really that's not like a Jeffree Star Cosmetics thing. That's a Morphe / Jeffree thing. So I was so excited to be able to get this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I haven't actually used it yet. I've like done some swatching, but I haven't actually used it. So we are going to dive into both today, and we are going to do, I'm going to do like one side of my face blue and one side of my face red. I know a ton of people have been doing that already, but you know what? I want to hop on the bandwagon and do it too. Just look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I love the packaging. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. I just want to... Okay, so I have a new foundation on today. Actually, it's not like new to me. I had a sample of Tarte's Amazonian Clay from my Ipsy, and it was too dark for me, but I mixed it with my Maybelline Superstay for the longest time just because I liked the consistency. So Tarte had a sale over the past like weekend or something. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna order it. I'm probably gonna order the right shade. And so I was like, okay, well, I have the Shape Tape foundation, the matte one, and I don't like it, but I'm the lightest shade in the collection. So I'm like, okay, I'm probably the lightest shade in this collection too. No, I'm not, because this is way too light for me. Hopefully once I like warm it up a little bit, I mean I did do some contour already, but once I warm it up a little bit with like blush and I do my eyes and stuff, hopefully it's not so white on me, but whatever. I'm still gonna use it because I paid $40 for that shit. Okay, so let's see here. I think I'm gonna do this side with Blood Sugar. So let's go ahead and dive right into her. Here we are. She's beautiful. So many reds, beiges, pinks. The names are hilarious. I love them. Prick, cherry soda, fresh meat, candy floss. So creative. I just love it so much. So what are we gonna do? I think I'm going to start with cherry soda, and we're going to apply that right up here to begin with. And of course I'm using the Jeffree Star, where's the number, JS6 brush. That pigment. Next, I'm going to go in with Tongue Pop. I'm going to do that right above the red I just laid down and kind of blend it out. I'm going to go back in with cherry soda, right? Was it Prick or cherry soda? I think it was Prick. And bring some of that red back that we lost when we blended. I'm just trying to fade that concealer out so it's not such a abrupt cut. Actually, I think I'm just going to take more of Donor, which is that gold shimmer I added, and bring that over more. So I just took Coma and I took like a eyebrow brush and I did like a winged eyeliner, and I also added some to the lower lash line as well, just to add another color in. And I think finally I'm just going to pop a color on the inner corner, which will be, I'll do Candy Floss in the inner corner. Alright, so next let's move on to Blue Blood. And we're going to do our other eye with this. So I'm going to try to like mirror what I did on this side with the Blue Blood colors. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab Blue Blood, which is like a sky blue in the palette, and apply that right here. Just so you guys can see it somehow. And then I'm going to go in with I'm Cold and blend it on top like I did with the red. This already looks really cool, like having the one eye blue and the other red. Then I'm going to go in with, there are two really cute sparkly blues, and I don't know if I want to use Entitled or Ocean Ice. I'm going to do Entitled, I think, because it's lighter, so when I go back to do my liner with like a darker color, it'll show up. So I'm actually going to go over the Ocean Ice with Crystal Flesh, just because I have a gold on this side, so I feel like I should put a gold on this side too. That actually ended up looking really cool with the Entitled and Crystal Flesh mixed together. It's like very Elsa-y. So again, I'm going to cut the crease just as I did on my right eye. I'm going to take Culloden and add that to the inner corner here, or to the inner corner of my lid. Alright, so next I'm going to do Undertaker, which is like the equivalent of, it's like the equivalent of Coma in the Blood Sugar palette. And I'm going to do the same like eyeliner deal that I did on this side. I just dropped my setting powder everywhere. Lastly, I am just going to add Minty to the inside of my corner, and I'm going to put a little bit of Cullinan over it so I still get that shimmer like I do with the pink on this side. I can't remember what it's called. So we got the eyes pretty much done. Next I'm just going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and maybe some falsies. I'm not sure yet. So I did go ahead and pop some lashes on. These are Ardell number 150 in black. And they're the same ones I used in my comic book makeup last time. I just like them, they're just a little something. They're not too crazy, but it still gives you that like glamorous like lash look. So since this isn't a look that you would normally probably wear every day, let's make it even crazier, or better I should say. And let's do some like contouring and highlighting with the palettes. So on the blue side, I'm gonna like do like a contour with blue and then do a highlight, and then on the red side I'll do a contour with red and a highlight. I'm gonna take I'm Cold from the palette and contour with that. I'm going to take Blue Monday and deepen that just a little bit. This blends so nicely. Like I can't believe like how well this stuff blends. Like it doesn't like, you know, sometimes you put makeup on it and you accidentally dab it and it's stuck there and it does not move. This is not like that. She moves wherever you want her. I'm gonna add a little Cullen into it. Oh, there we go. Yes, yes, yes. I am just going to take a little bit of my regular blush and put that on the balls of my cheeks. I am gonna do Cullen on the nose, on my highlight, as well as my chin. And then on the red side, we'll do Prick. And then Cherry Soda to darken it a little bit. And then for highlight, we'll do Candy Floss. And then finally, the lips. Now I don't have Jeffree Star liquid lips yet. I didn't order any because I'm like, he's making me go broke, I swear to God, with like the brushes and the sponges, and now he's releasing concealers and setting powders tomorrow. I'm like, I can't. So, but I do have a blue liquid lipstick and a red liquid lipstick. So we are going to split this down the middle, and you know what I'm thinking. You know what I'm thinking. So I'm going to take my Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink in Dancer, and we're going to do this side of the lips, and then I'm going to take my NYX Liquid Suede in Jet Set and do this side. And I think that's about it, guys. This turned out super cute. I love the palettes. I literally have no complaints. It is literally probably the best quality eyeshadow I've ever worked with. I can't wait to create more looks with it. They'll definitely be back on my channel in the future, so don't you worry. Also, this reminds me of like a, what's her name? The Joker's like girlfriend. I don't know her name. Harley Quinn. That's what this reminds me of. It's cute though. Like how I like wore red and blue to matches. Applying that. Alright guys, as always, if you like what you saw today, please like, comment, subscribe, and tune back in next week Tuesday for a brand new tutorial. Thanks everybody.